All it takes is one wrong move on the tracks and your smooth ride turns into a full-blown circus on wheels. At first, everything seems okay. Then a van is parked in the wrong place and here comes the NYC Heritage Unit. Oh boy.
Oh my Lord, have mercy.
This semi-truck was carrying a load of vehicles and somehow stuck in the middle of the railway track. Then the terrifying scene happens like in a Hollywood cinema. This Spanish train comes forward and suddenly fails its track and crashes. Horrifying scene to witness everybody.
It goes on and on and on.
You wouldn't believe this type of crash happens in real life or not. Here, two trains just crashed head-to-head and collapsed. Sometimes you don't need anyone to crash. This crash is the best example of this. Think you're in a train, and everything goes perfectly until it crashes into the platform. You'll remember this near-death experience for the rest of your life. You don't know when life gives you a real fuck. This driver just experienced the best terrifying moments in his life.
Whoa! You're about to watch a man bid an emotional goodbye to his favorite trailer. He wanted the perfect shot, but in the process very nearly cropped himself out of existence.
Oh shit.
This is the most horrifying scene I have ever seen. Oh boy, just watch the collision happened.
What are you doing?
It's not only important to stop at the crossing,
It's also important to bring a gas mask.
I don't know why this driver pulls his SUV back. Just got his bad day. This passenger wanted to rush his landing and see what happened.
Whoever's fault this was, that crewman wasn't waiting around to find out.
Now it's head-to-head time. Watch some head-to-head crush happen in real time.
Those rails look nice and straight.
Oh, who? See some hard train crushes wishes to not happen in your life.
A malfunctioning crossing barrier can be a terrifying thing.
These college guys very nearly discovered a way to get out of paying back their student loans.
This truck is about to head to an entirely different destination.
Well, this is your stop, but before you hop off, don't forget to help us keep rolling smoothly. Hit that subscribe button